Today's a beginning and an end. The boy that we thought was our youngest graduated high school on Saturday, and the girl that is our youngest graduates kindergarten today. So I'm sitting out here and just kind of pondering, thinking about life and work and drinking from the Rad Dad cup my daughter's got me, and kind of choking down some Folgers because we ran out of the Broad Porch coffee, which is the best we've ever had. And I'm just thinking about pricing and how we do everything here. Some of the best deals you can find from us are going to be lower end items, less expensive items. Basically, if it's under 30 or 40 bucks, a lot of that stuff we just throw in a bin. And everything in those bins is just one set price. 3 items for 10 bucks, 7 items for 5 bucks. Now that stuff's all buyer beware. That's more of the return stuff. That's going to be more of the open package. The larger items we price individually, but and we try to do about 2/3 price, 40% off, something like that. Depends on the item. We round everything. We don't want to deal with dollars, and we don't want to deal with change and stuff like that. It just becomes a hassle when people come in. So that's our kind of philosophy as far as pricing goes. When we buy from certain places, we get a lot more of the returns, a lot more of the open items, and that's going to give us potentially some of the best deals, but it also gives us potentially the most junk. And then there's other places that we purchase from, and we get a lot more stuff that's brand new and packaged completely perfect, no scratch and dent, no nothing like that. But that's the stuff that we have to price a little bit higher. Right now, that's our outdoor furniture. That's something that everybody wants, and a lot of stores are out of. So we're going out of our way to find outdoor furniture, which also means that we're paying a premium for it. So our prices are higher than normal. Most of that stuff we're pricing at about 75% of retail. Same with some of our grills. We have to do it like that. With when we're getting grills and outdoor furniture in December, we can get a great deal on it. So we had some amazing deals on grills in January and December this year, and we were pricing them down real low. But now the market, adjusted. Just like the lumber prices go up when people are building, the price of grills go up when people are grilling out. So right now, as we get the stuff, it's a little bit closer to retail. But we're still going out of our way, and we're still looking to get some of the other stuff that's a better deal. So we'll bring in some stuff for winter right now, and we'll get great deals on it, and we'll just store it, and then we can pass on those deals in 6 months to all our customers. So let's set this coffee down because I don't know how much more Folgers I can handle this morning, but I just figured I'd do a short video and show everybody kind of what we do. So hope you enjoy it. We got just a few things left that we have to price in here, and we do this pretty easily. I know that there's a better way of doing it, more than likely, but basically my sister went through, or whoever can go through and scan everything, find the actual item. She puts a description on some of the stuff that we're not sure what it is. This cart, foldable cart, and then the price, and that's the price that it was from the vendor that we bought it from. So if we buy something from the orange store, it's gonna have the price from the orange store, and it may be a little bit less at Target or Amazon or something, but it's the price from where we got it. And then for most of the stuff, we're just doing about 2/3 price, so we're taking about 35% off the top. We're rounding it. We want to keep everything pretty simple. So 73 bucks right here. So this is going to be 50 bucks. This is what we price it at. So we just go and I got the wrong marker, and I'm squatted down, and that looks terrible, and I put my finger in there. But 50 bucks. That's $21.95 realistically. Anything that's kind of like lower price like that, I just take those and I put them in our 3 for $10. So that's just going to go in a bin. So that and 2 other items, 10 bucks. This is 60 bucks. This is the shopping cart. So it looks good. We'll price that at 40 bucks. This is kind of cool. This was actually $170 on the online retail. 15-degree down sleeping quilt, ultralight cold weather, and it snaps and it zippers. So you can actually like open it up, zip it up, or unzip it, stick your feet in there. It's good for like sitting outside in a hammock or whatever when it's getting cool out. Here we've got adjustable LED aquarium lights. They're $52. I think the market on aquarium lights is a little bit less. than other stuff. Probably not. I know people that are into fish are really into fish. So we're gonna do 30 bucks on this. So that's about 55%. I mean, you can do the math and correct me if you'd like, but my math says that that's under 60%. So somewhere in there, 55-ish. This one I already did. This particular thing, this little like pet dog wedge for getting up on furniture and stuff, is actually $106 on Amazon. But I personally don't think that's worth $106, so I priced it at 15 bucks, and I got some interest. Hopefully someone picks it up today. It's just a little bit big and bulky, and I'm afraid that if we let it sit around, we're going to get it dirty. So we'll go set it over here by the coffee tables and the patio furniture that we have left. So Franklin Super Skin Dodgeballs, set of 4. It's 30 bucks for a set of 4. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put this in our bin. 3 items for 10 bucks. Planter saucer, this is 40 bucks. Again, I'm going to put in our bin, 3 for 10 bucks. So you could buy this, and you could get that, and you could get that little doggy playpen for $10 for all 3 items. And that's how we do it. So a lot of the stuff like this, that's smaller, we give crazy good deals. And then if you walk over here, we've got a bunch of bins in here. We probably got 15 or 20 in the building at this point. This is the next one we're going to be filling. They're overflowing. So we got 3 for 10 bins, and we have 7 for 5 bins, which is less stuff. Like things that had price tags on it for 3 bucks, we do 7 for 5 bucks. So if you look inside the bin here, we got this shelf. I'm confident that this, it's not a shelf. Stair tech. This is a step. I don't think it's a step. I think it's a shelf. Whatever. We got some toilet seats. This is missing a decorative hinge cover, but 3 bucks, and this is probably 30 bucks in the store. Craftsman. I don't know what's. It's open package. Maybe it's not open. Yeah, someone opened it. But anytime it's open package, I'm not gonna sit there and inspect it. This thing's super duper heavy. I'm assuming this is some kind of pet toy, but it like weighs like 15 pounds. It doesn't look like it, but it's heavy. A light that's not tested. We should just test it now that we have our testing table. But these are kind of stuff that we had in here for a while. They probably are all fine, just not tested. And in fact, we have one of these for sale. I think like 10 bucks. Curtain rods. Sometimes they're missing finials and stuff. Oh, this is a shower rod. It's probably perfect. More lighting. Over here, this is the stuff we just got in. So a sunshade for a windshield, 16 bucks online. Frigidaire crisper glass, $29. So we get some very random stuff. Outlet boxes, recessed lighting, TV mount kits, full boxes of light bulbs, 6 bulbs, 3 bucks. There's quite a bit of doorbells in here. These are open package returns. Don't know if they work. They're not tested. So this is a $3 gamble. And chime works at least. Another light. There's like a toddler safety thing. This is brand new. I know it's worth more, but we had one of these used, and I tried selling it for like 10 bucks on Marketplace like years ago. It didn't sell. I'm sure that's great for somebody, but we're not going to price it. Lots more doorbells in here. There it goes. I put in a bunch of garden tools here. These are used. So, I don't know. This is probably 30 or 40 bucks in the store. It was used. You can see the blades probably got some nicks in it right there. Maybe needs to be sharpened or something. But lots of that kind of stuff. Shears. We got a little Target in here, 3 bucks. This is I don't know what vehicle this is for, but you basically like can add an armrest and USB ports and stuff. Full case of these cup holder phone mounts, 3 bucks. Windshield wipers. Those are the prices online, 3 bucks. That kind of smaller seasonal stuff, we've got all that. down there, and we do that 7 items for $5. Even down there, 7 items for $5. Here's some more hodgepodge piles, 3 for $10, whatever you can find. Plexiglass. This light, didn't test it. I probably should just test it, but I generally don't test anything that has motion sensors, so $3 if you want to take a gamble on it. Mop, broom, gutter, shower rods, more shower rods, planters. These can lights probably shouldn't be in here, but they are. Just a big heavy hunk of metal. I'm not exactly sure what this is from, but $3. Vantage light, not tested, $3. These right here were from a fireplace mantle, and I was missing a couple of the walls, so I figured this will make a really nice heavy duty shelf with the price of wood and everything right now. I think this is a pretty big heavy duty shelf or something for $3. More toilet seats, all 3 for $10. Umbrellas, 3 for $10. More toilet seats. Lighting, chicken wire, vent covers. Over here we got a few more bins. Got a fan. I believe that fan's perfectly good. It tested, it worked. If it didn't spin, I wouldn't have it in here. But $3 for a fan. That's probably missing, like, I think that kid is missing the deadbolt, and I don't want to mess with it, so $3. Heck of a deal. Bird feeders and random. This is like a scavenger hunt. Drawer slides. Just go through, dig a planter. There's probably like some damage on the side of that. Pitchfork. Looks used. I don't know if there's a prong broken off. It doesn't look like it from here. Maybe. There's even a cast iron pan in there, I see. Another type of thing we have, 7 for $5. So these are kind of less expensive stuff. Some stationery, lots of hand sanitizer, some Melissa and Doug little art pads and activity pads and flashlights and small minor toys, razors, more little stuff. These decorate your own ornament, 4 count. There you go. There was a price on there, $3. So 7 of them for $5. It's little window clings and kids' hats and basically like your little kind of dollar store type items. I think that was $1. So you get 7 of them for $5. So that's basically what we're trying to do here. We're not going to be like one of those bin stores where every day it's a different price. We mostly have things priced. Bedding, small appliances, little kids' chairs. I don't remember what the prices are going to be on those, but most of the stuff we kind of put like the retail price on there and then our price, so you can kind of compare, and feel free to look them up if you want. This one was used, so this one's less than half price. An air fryer. I plugged it in, I turned it on, it was getting warm. Everything seems good, but this was used. This one was used. The original price, we're doing it 20%. You do need to order a part. The drive socket cracked, they're like $13 if you order that online. But for the most part, it's all brand new appliances, and we try to do about 35% off of retail, no matter what it is. Paper shredder. I'm not sure how that goes with kitchen stuff or a turntable, but here it does. So you really do kind of have to look everywhere to see what we have. Faucets, chop saw, all the bigger stuff. Lots and lots of air purifiers. Lots of heaters. Lots more heaters. Tons of lighting. Tons of lighting. And it's pretty dark over here. Fancy. Most of it, we went through everything here. We did go through everything. Most of it's good and new. Like this, there you go, half price. You can see the old price tag on there. But some of it, like this one here, has a crack in the glass, $5.